Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to change your location or your country or your region on your YouTube app on Smart TV. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to your setting on your Smart TV on YouTube app. So scroll down right here and make sure you navigate to settings. Click on settings. From getting to settings here, next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down and make sure you get to location right here. Click on OK. Then from location right here, click on OK. Then from here, you can switch to another location or any region of your choice. And with that, you get more content from that particular region based on your recommendation location by YouTube app. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your YouTube app on Smart TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.